How to treat pain and discomfort caused by arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition which affects the joints, bones, and digits and makes them difficult to move without causing pain. While it typically appears during late adulthood, it can strike people of all ages, even children. The arthritis tips and tricks in this video may make it easier for you to understand and cope with the condition. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight causes stress on the joints, especially in the knees and hips. This added stress leads to flare-ups of arthritis. This is in addition to the well-known health dangers of being overweight and the detrimental effects it has on your mood and energy levels. Speak with your doctor about a safe weight loss plan. Avoid uncomfortable shoes and heels if you have any kind of arthritis. It does not matter what parts of your body are affected by arthritis, uncomfortable shoes could make you walk in an abnormal manner, which could affect your arthritis negatively. Instead, purchase a nice comfortable pair of sneakers that give support. As simple as it may seem, it is important that you flex your muscles at least once an hour, if you suffer from arthritis. Sitting or standing in one spot for too long can cause your joints to cramp up and give you pain. For 5 minutes, stand on one foot, with the other pushed up against the wall, and then, switch feet. Exercise is one of the best medicines for arthritis. It is a great help in reducing pain and stiffness in your joints. It will increase your flexibility and the strength of your muscles, which will help your body avoid further injury. Make sure to make time every day for exercise and you will see the benefits. When properly managed, you can greatly reduce the uncomfortable signs and symptoms that are associated with arthritic conditions. Although there is no cure for the disease, the advice in this video is sure to offer insight into the various options for treating or eliminating the pain, aches, and soreness that is caused by arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.